Welcome to the front of your REALME C35, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is. So let's start. One. Okay, I just should turn off this option to stay on lock screen when I'll just unlock the device. So I'll go here to the security section. Okay, what's going on? So let's start again. So 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast. We just can unlock the device only with one of simple touch, so less than in 1 second we can unlock the device. I just don't press the button here, just really was simple touch do this. So I just suggest you to try the fingerprint scanner here. It's work really fast, just that's the good result for this device. So if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes, you can use the fingerprint here, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode, pin code or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.